Morning, Al. You ready to try some new food today? You know what it is? What is it? Hold on. It's something new. What do you think of that? Is it good? It was sweet. You like it? Sounds like you like it. We gotta get it down though. Open. It's been in the fridge. It's kind of cold. It probably feels good on those new teeth you have. Is it good? You want more? Try a little more. Open. All gone? Wow. Is it good? Oh, you like it, huh? A little lumpy? It's called sweet potato. Do you like it? Yeah? Here, open. Yum. Is it good? Open. Oh, coming out a little bit. Can I help you get that in? Yeah, you gotta take it down. Kinda gotta chew it up a little bit. Is it good? Do you like it? Ready? Yeah, can I help you get that in? This one's a new color. It's orange. The avocado was green. Good? Can I have more, Mama? Open up. Ready for more? Open up. Yum. Look at those legs. Look at those hands. Kind of just stiff, huh? Ready? Now you're kicking. It's good. Is it too much? Trying to figure out how to get it down? Do you like the sweet potato? Is it good? Open. Oh, you ready? Open. Do you want more? Good, huh? All right, looks like she likes the sweet potato.